Today we have a video from Body Cam Edition, and the title of the video is Racist Woman Thinks She's Too Important to Follow Airport Rules.
Anything to resist, I'm just being black on Southwest, and they promised I would get arrested, and this is the promise.
On December 1st, 2025, officers at the Nashville International Airport were dispatched in response to a disruptive passenger.
So, started out, she went to the front left, she opened the door and there's a kid peeing. The flight attendant stopped the door like, hey, you cannot enter, there's a kid inside. Then she automatically took her phone, I was like, want to record you, what's your name, you can't be doing this, blah, 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 blah. To her seat, all the way in the back, bumped into people beside her, like just randomly just hitting the person beside the older couple, made a move out the way, then she requested a hot tea for the flight attendant in the back. She went to the galley, said, I want to watch you make that my hot tea. So she's just all these strange shenanigans going on. So for safety reasons and everything she's doing, we're not feeling comfortable.
What did she do when she got off?
Oh, she was acting a fool. She was as soon as I approached her, she took her phone out saying, I'm not comfortable with you, you're white, I'm black, I need to speak to somebody else.
Her thing is all race. That's what she equated all of it to, is that they charged her for her drinks and didn't charge the other people for her drinks. She had 2 drinks according to the flight attendant.
She's only recording what she wants to record. Obviously no interactions being recorded, just picks up the phone, I'm being harassed, then she puts it in. I'm not sure if it's something mental. She also had 2 drinks on board. I don't know if it made an effect on her or anything like that, but
we were just trying to have a conversation. And
I even
again,
gave her
there's
the
2
opportunity to
sides.
speak to her, and I stepped back.
And there's 2 sides. And I'm like, she's like, no, there's not 2 sides. I was like, well, wait. First of all, there's 3, because everybody's trying to win their own side. We couldn't even have a conversation because they like kind of precise you. So we can only go with what they go with.
So just behavior and safety concerns.
She's not flying again, though, right?
No, but she does have another flight. She said she's in the corridor talking to officers in there.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, her. She's being denied with Southwest.
Hey, how's it going, man? So
I knew you guys were looking into that for me. I don't know how I knew it.
we just got a call about you.
And what did I do?
So that's what we're trying to figure out, right?
I didn't do anything. I'm just trying to. So what happened was, let me just show you. They won't look at it. On the airline, I was harassed by people who weren't my race, and I recorded, not them, just me being mistreated.
Okay, are these other passengers or just airline employees you're saying?
So it was both. So then I asked the airline employees in my notes for 2 names. When I got off the airline, they of course called their supervisors, like I would do. I'm going home to go to work tomorrow. I would call my supervisor and say, I know I did wrong, let me make the person a bad guy. Unfortunately for them, I recorded, and I said, yes, I recorded. Even if I did, I didn't do it. If somebody wants to watch the recording, I'm not a person that's be taken off the airline.
This was all verbal, nothing physical?
I never, if you think...
I'm just asking. I'm not saying you did it.
All I asked them was to tell me what I did other than...
Yeah, so do you have a connecting flight somewhere? Are you going to...
I'm going to... So he decided that without any evidence, I never had to talk to him. He looked at me, heard what the flight attendant said before I even got off the flight. And just like I walked out the bathroom and recognized that you guys were here for me, this is this level of treatment. No one is listening to like how I was treated on the flight. I never touched anybody. I never harassed anybody. I never cussed anybody. And I know how not to cuss and go crazy on anybody there.
So unfortunately, it is up to the airline whether they want to let you
But it wasn't
fly.
an airline. It was this, even if I were buying the airline ticket and I didn't want to go to Southwest, this guy is creating a campaign to bother me throughout this airport. So I went to the bathroom. I could have been buying another ticket to another airline, not the airport. I didn't do anything to the airport. I want their information for this level. If you guys watch the video.
So that's something that you'd have to bring up with their customer service.
But I was trying to ask them how to do it. I already have a bought ticket.
We can give you the information on how to do that.
But I asked them that an hour ago. They're trying to waste my time. This guy is single-handedly deciding that I wasn't going to be on my knees.
Who is this guy?
Can we go? The person called the police. Can we go and talk? But it was. I didn't talk any differently than I'm talking now. And the police don't make me talk better. I don't have that in me.
I get it. I understand.
This is outright harassment from the plane. And when the guy said, Mark, she won't get on the next flight, I have it on recording.
Okay.
When someone says that as a flight attendant, not based off of anything I did, based off of me saying that I'm going to complain to Southwest on them. They just beating me to the punch.
So I know that's frustrating, but they can do that. Like Officer Greta here was
But
saying.
I still get a reason though.
They don't have to give you a reason. That's the
They
thing.
just no, they can't just deny me.
They can't.
They can, unfortunately.
No, but I want my money back then. I get to buy a ticket.
Like we're saying, that's something you'd have to bring up with their customer
Again, I'm going to go to customer service. Walk with me so I can go
We
to
can
customer
go up
service.
front.
That's customer service over there.
That's not an option right now. Okay.
So
Talking to them down
you
there
guys
is
have
not an
decided that you guys are
They
detaining me?
decided it.
No, I didn't. They don't. You guys are the police.
They decided that. We don't work for Southwest, we work for the airport. And the airport is a contractor of the airport, and they've decided that you're not making a flight with Southwest. So we can go up to the
Based
ticket
off
counter.
of what reason?
They don't have to give a reason.
But
They're
they
a
got to
private
give me my
business.
money back.
We can do it that up front. They have the same capabilities up front. But as of right now, they have voided the ticket for So we're going
He
to go
doesn't even know my name.
We're going to go up front and get your
He
money back.
doesn't know my name to avoid a ticket. So we can still talk. You guys don't know my
They have
name.
that information.
They do not have that information. They do not. You guys saw a black girl with a green jacket and a description came out there. It's like I knew that you were the police. This is a lie. Like that's a lie.
Can we go up front and deal with it so that we're not...
No, I want to go talk to them and get my money
We're
back.
gonna deal with it.
So I can't get on that plane.
You cannot.
Why?
No.
Because they denied you
Who
boarding.
is they? It was just the one guy.
Southwest, manager at Southwest, whoever you talk to, whoever denied you boarding. That's who
He
denied you
never
boarding.
denied me boarding. He
Oh my goodness. You will make better progress talking to the wall. Like if you're in your room, if you're in your living room, if you're in your bedroom, if you're walking right now, watching this video, you will have a better chance. If you're outside, just talk to the tree. Talk to the nearest tree. You will get further in your conversation than talking to this lady right here, man. What part of they do not have to have a reason don't you understand? They voided the ticket. We can get your money back at the front. Probably the spot where like you do your first little like check-in or whatever, your check-in bag and all that type of stuff. That area. It's like going in one ear and out the other. She is not comprehending anything that's going on right here. And then you throwing race into it. Stop acting like an asshole.
That's what they have told us.
It is outright racism that I was denied boarding. Did you guys see the videos of what?
We can get names for you if you want to file a complaint with Southwest too.
But I gotta get to work tomorrow. But it's fine. Let's go.
Okay.
Don't think that I was going to cause a problem.
We can get you
Everybody's
another.
good. It's good that you guys are. This is clearly a black move. I know you guys are Nashville. It's a lynch mob. What you doing?
no, man.
Yeah, it's a lynch mob. It's a lynching. It's a lynching. This is what you do to black people when you don't like how they act.
Please.
Okay, I'm sorry.
We're just walking this way. No, ma'am. We're just trying to escort you.
Talk to me. I want to talk to you. Everybody watch. I'll walk behind you. I'm not detained. I'm not detained. I don't gotta walk with you. I'm not detained, so walk.
Go maintain camera. She is extremely verbally combative at the moment.
So we're going to the ticket counter right now. So
I ain't gotta leave the airport. I ain't gotta go nowhere with you. I ain't gotta go on that flight. So I'm gonna buy my own ticket. I ain't gotta go nowhere with you.
ma'am. So
I gotta buy a ticket into the airport.
You see that look right there. This look right here is when he thinking, man, about to get her together. That look right there. That's that. If she don't act right, I'ma get her together. This is that look where it's like, I'm on my last straw. If she don't, I'ma get her together.
ma'am. So
I gotta buy a ticket into the airline. I'm calling my dad to get
so
some money.
we do that up front.
No,
That's
I'm
for
not
all
going
the
on that
ticket counters.
airline.
There's plenty of
Show me the
airlines
rules.
out there.
I didn't do anything else wrong. I'm done
So,
with that.
You can't be back here without a valid boarding pass,
Daddy, I'm on
okay?
the- Daddy, stay online. Stay online. I'm just trying to get the money to buy the ticket.
Yes, but as of right now, you don't have a
That's what
valid
my mother
boarding
called
pass.
me. And I do.
So you do not have a boarding pass.
I do.
You don't.
Yeah, my mother.
Because that
My
was.
mother's calling to give me the confirmation number for what's the airline? United.
Bought another ticket?
She bought you another ticket.
Yeah, who do you think this is?
I'm
You
just
thought I was
asking.
stuck?
What gate is that at?
It's that beat, but what I won't be is harassed. Show me the law that I gotta go with you. I'm not getting on a Southwest flight. What's the confirmation number, Mom? All right, let me look it up. You can sit there and see go in the face. I'm not going anywhere else.
We're just trying to help you out. We're trying to get you a new flight.
Always racism. I show you videos. Even him to say that like I'm on this plane calm.
I believe you.
Was when I asked
Okay.
them for their names. To make
we believe you, but we can't do anything about that. I do.
But you don't have to. But I do have to get this confirmation number because I gotta go home today. I ain't leaving anywhere.
I got you.
Whether you came for with a Southwest call, right? I'm not getting on that airplane. And I want to know the names of the people that put me on. That's all.
Okay.
But I'm not going to.
You have to make sure you got a boarding pass.
So my mama confirmed in California, and I want my money back.
And that's something you can definitely take up with
But
Southwest.
I want their names, the people that called on me. And I want your names, the people that are here harassing me. This is actually harassment at this point.
Like we're saying, we're not trying to harass you.
And I'm not going to get escorted at the airport when I didn't do anything in the airport. You're trying to create an airport situation.
So like I said, we just have to confirm you got that new boarding pass, and we'll be out of your hair, okay?
You're not in my life guide.
You're right. I'm not your life guide, but you have to have an active boarding pass to be back here.
So to be on the secure side of the airport.
That's not the law. You don't have to. That's not the law. That's not the law. You guys got to follow the law. Like I am. You guys told me I can't get on that flight, which was a lie.
That's the Southwest. That has nothing to do with
Which was
us.
a lie. I did something wrong. So after that, you're done. I won't get on the flight. But you're not going to stand around me and harass me.
That's up to Southwest discretion. That has nothing to do with
And I'm
us.
not going on the flight.
Well, you understand, we didn't deny you boarding.
Yeah, you did, because I went over there to talk to them to say that, like, hey, I got all these videos to show I didn't do anything. I have the names of the people that harassed me. Why would I create that information and have that paper trail? I was in the wrong. I didn't think I was getting on the flight. They were at the gate to bother me on the plane because they knew. And I still go to corporate, so I can't get on no Southwest airline or just my flight.
Today,
I'm not banned.
specify.
I'm not banned from them, so I don't. That's what I'm saying.
We would have to talk to them to know that, and that would have to take place up front. Up front. I know.
At the ticket counter up front.
That's not happening. I could have talked to them there. The flight was 10 minutes away. They wanted me around police to see how crazy I would act. I'm a black person at the airport. That's the crime right now? Right now, what's the crime?
No, man.
I'm a black person at the airport. What's the crime?
So it would have been disorderly conduct depending on your behavior.
When have I behaved? I sat down.
So that's based on your behavior. I'm saying if it escalates, that's what it would
If it escalates, I think that you're looking. That's why I sat down and put myself down. Because I think when I was dapping you up and talking to you, looking for escalation.
No, man.
I just want to go home.
I'm just trying to talk to you person to person.
You never had racism happening. You don't know how to look.
I'm just trying to talk to you person to person. I don't look at you any other way like I would anyone else.
Because you don't know how it looks when someone pulls you off a plane, calls the police on your black ass, and then makes you beg to get on that plane. I ain't begging for
Well, like
shit.
we're saying,
I ain't begging
that's
for
a
shit.
Southwest call, right? That has
So I can
nothing
get
to
on
do with
a
us.
Southwest flight, or I can't, or what's the issue?
That's something that you have to talk to the ticket counter about.
You're harassing me at this point. I'm asking you to leave. Southwest has already got you to get away. I missed my flight. Why don't you leave and let me go? They don't know who I am. You guys can't make me a criminal when it's a civil issue.
We're not
I
trying
paid
to
my
make-
money. You're trying to make me a criminal. You're escalating the situation and trying to criminalize me. I don't have time for this. I want to go home. Like, we bought 2 tickets now.
All right, Ben, I'm going to give you one more option right now. We need to walk to the non-secure side, and if we do not
I
walk
have
to
a
the non...
ticket to the flight, and I've asked these people to leave me alone. I have a ticket to get on Southwest Airlines flight. I've asked them to leave me alone so I can go on the airline. If I can't get on the airline, let me not get on there, and then you decide.
I'm giving you one last option.
What is my last option?
We need to walk to the
No, I'm not going
non-secure
anywhere.
side.
I'm not detained.
As of right now, yes,
No,
you are.
I'm not. For what?
Trust
For
me.
having a ticket?
Listen, at this point, we've given you multiple warnings that we need to leave. You've refused to leave. That doesn't matter. If you continue to refuse to leave, you will go to jail for criminal trespassing.
How?
Because you're refusing our lawful order to leave this area, right?
Why would I leave the area when I have a ticket to be here?
You do not, because you have been denied boarding.
I haven't. I gotta go board to be denied boarding. You're denying me boarding. You don't work for Southwest. He got on the phone and claimed to talk to Southwest. He's claiming that he no lawyer. Let me go to the boarding and see if I got denied boarding.
No, ma'am.
Who denied me boarding? Is it the police or Southwest?
It was Southwest Airlines,
No,
like we
they
told
didn't.
you.
I have a ticket for Southwest. No, they have not. I'm not got to board. So I want to go to board to be denied boarding.
If we do not exit the secure area,
So what am I being denied boarding? What am I? Please don't touch me. Make sure you back up off of me.
I'm giving you this option.
Drag her ass out, man. Come on. We cannot keep doing this. Interrupting the people. They sitting at the bar. They getting ready to get on their flight, whatever. They don't got time for this. You got the lady recording on the side. You know what I mean? It's just interrupting the whole vibe. Let's go to the front. If you got another ticket, then show it. You know, did you check in? You know, United, whatever. But you're not doing any of that. Nothing. You're just sitting there. Drag her ass out, man. Let's go. Let's get to the action. Because I'm getting frustrated just watching this. And I'm not even there.
I don't have an
This
option.
is the last option.
What's the
Until you
option?
will end
I have
up
a
in jail.
ticket. We'll show the ticket again.
You're going to
That's
be
my
denied
ticket.
boarding.
I bought 2 tickets. Let me buy another for another airline. You want to see me work for another airline?
No.
I got it.
We're past that point right now.
So hold on. I can't fly at all.
Not with Southwest.
I'm going to buy it from the airport.
Then you need to exit the secure
I
side.
don't know, but I still have a ticket for it.
need to exit
I'm
the
still
secure
securely
side.
here. My baggage is still on their plane.
Okay, go ahead and stand up.
All right, hold
Put your
on.
hands behind your back.
I'll go.
All right. No, we're past that point. Put your bag down.
It's always funny how when they go to arrest a person, now it's no, I'll go. I'll cooperate. No. See, that's what I'm saying. People want to play games. People take cops as a joke. This is the reality of the situation. That's why you see the things that's happening now. It's almost like they're testing you. And then when they act, now it's, no, I'll cooperate. No, I'll go. I'll listen. No. This ain't no. The cops is not a joke. They're not to be played with. This ain't a game. Play stupid games, win stupid prizes.
Here, my baggage is still on their plane.
Okay, go ahead and stand up.
All right, hold
Put your hands behind your back.
I'll go.
All right. No, we're past that point. Put your bag down.
Please don't do this. The 2 tickets I'm bought. All I did was try to buy a ticket on my phone. But can you grab my phone and my stuff?
Get all your
Can you not?
stuff. Yes.
Can you not go through my belongings? I'm only detained.
You're arrested.
I'm not arrested. What did I do wrong?
Under arrest for
For
trespass.
what? I'm not trespassing. I have a ticket. I'm in an airline. I'm talk to customer service and you're customer service. It's unfair and unfortunate. I need everybody's information. And there is black people out of Nashville.
Nope.
Is your body camera on?
Sure is.
Okay, so I repeatedly saw me asking them so I can buy a ticket. My mother bought 2 tickets out of Southwest. It's not illegal for me to buy a
Right here,
ticket.
to your left.
It's not illegal for me to buy a plane ticket. They got out of patience. They don't work for the airline. They don't work for that. I want to be in front of the camera at all times. Please let me be in front of the camera at all
my
times.
camera.
I want to be in front of the camera at all times. I have not done anything to resist. I've been nice to you guys. I've only asked, okay? I won't do anything wrong. I've not done anything to resist. I'm just being black on Southwest, and they promised I would get arrested, and this is the promise. I have it on camera. I asked him. He's shaking because he knows he's wrong. You know you're wrong for this.
I have to search you.
You can search.
Okay.
My hands are detained.
So please spread your legs slightly.
I need a woman. I'm not spreading my legs. I'm not spreading my legs. It's against my religion, so you can look.
Okay.
But I will not be spreading
Keep your
those
legs where you are. Stay
That's
still.
as much as I can do. But I will
still.
not spread my legs. I'm a whole woman. But but you guys are ridiculous. You guys are really going to arrest me?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow. Give my passport back. Give my passport
Stop
back.
pulling away
I'm
from
not
me.
pulling away from you. I'm asking my belongings.
You will get them at booking when you
Do not
release
touch
from
me.
jail.
Do not touch me. Yes. Racist. I would never let a pig touch me. You know you wrong. You know you wrong for this. Close the door.
The woman was charged with criminal trespass and disorderly conduct. As of March 30th, 2026, the case had not been formally resolved. Her most recent court appearance was a settlement hearing on March 27th, but no final disposition had been entered into the public record.
Yeah, you can't make this stuff up, man. Can't make this stuff up. Pathetic. She is pathetic. That's all I got to say. Wasting everyone's time, acting a fool. Who goes to the airport act like this? And it's like, we see so many airport incidences. And I'm like, why? It's simple. Go to the airport, get on the plane, go to sleep, wake up wherever you at. That's what I do. Mind my business. Get on the plane, go to sleep, man. By the time they even doing the whole put the mask on, do left, right, exit this way, man, I already got my eye mask on, neck pillow gone. See ya. I ain't got time for that. I ain't going to the airport to drink and all of that. Man, no. I'm going there to get through, go to sleep, and get where I gotta go. And that's it. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video, helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.